Da, ka, do, ko, they, pay, do, go, don, gone. Die, guy, tap, ga, do, boom, da, ga. Table, table, thin, thin, tail, fail, tone, phone, dig, big. Intonation. She works. We laughing. It stopped. Tom is reading. Mike is sleeping. The car stopped. The weather has changed. Children like to play. The boy is reading a book. The weather is going to change. She wants to buy a new car. He wrote the letters very quickly. The teacher told her students a story. Alice wrote the letters very quickly. Victor is going to London next month. Tanya is reading the book you brought yesterday. What's your name? What's your name? Where are you from? Where do you live? What is your name? What do you live? What did she say? Where have you been? Have you read this book? Have you heard the news? Do you need some help? Do you have a pen? May I speak to Ella, please? Could I speak to Michael, please? Can I borrow your dictionary, please? Will you come back at 5 or at 6? Does she read books in the morning or at night? Will you try to do it today or tomorrow? You don't know them, do you? They haven't found it, have they? You weren't late, were you? I shouldn't do it, should I? Tell me the truth. Give me your hand. Do it yourself. Ask him to help. Close the windows, please. Tell me your name, please. Ask him to call me, please. It's good to see you. It's an excellent opportunity. I'm so happy. Ella, can you help me? Lena, are you there? Tony, where are you? I bought bread, cheese, and tomatoes. We need papers, pens, and pencils. I can. She is. He will. You should. I can. He didn't.